Hey all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield for the test event. So I've got a ticket for the test event and I'm just outside. Quite a lot of people milling around. So I'm going to get inside, see what it's all about. Let's have a little scan across here. So I'm up at the Danny Roads now, and look at the queue to get in. I'll wait in this queue a second and I'll check my ticket, make sure I'm on the right side. I think I might be going in the other side, I'm not sure. But obviously, you're obviously not going through the construction site, are we? So this is for turnstile R. I am in turnstile M, which is on the Kenny side. So I'm going to head down to M now and see what it's saying on that side.
Very soon.
So this is a view that we've seen a lot over the months. Have a little look before I head down to my turnstile. There's that section up there that still needs cladding. Here's the corporate section. Looking good, isn't it?
This is Liverpool football announcement to all supporters. Thank you for your attendance this evening. We will shortly be opening the turnstiles. Please be aware at the end of the event we will be conducting
So here we are, round the M side, and that's where people are going in right now. So yeah, let's get in there. We're in and we're going up into the stands. So it's a good view of the upper tier here anyway. Look at that. A lot of seats in now. And there's the red balls that we saw on the drone footage earlier. Oh, the rail seating. No, it looks quite comfortable. There's a cop. And it was at this point that Liverpool decided to turn the music right up. And as I don't want to get a copyright strike against me on the video, you're going to have to put up with me doing a voiceover. So I'm basically just having a look around the grounds. The pitch was looking immaculate. And the cop, an issue I've got with the cop is it looks really, really small. This part here, as you can see, there's still loads to be done in the grounds. The cladding underneath here is nowhere near finished. There's a gap between the Anfield roads and the Kenny stands. I don't know what's going to happen with that. That's got to be fixed because there's fans sitting under that. So if it's raining, they're going to get soaked. And over this side, there's more cladding that's unfinished as well. So there's still quite a lot to be done on the underside of the roof, looking from the inside. Now when I was saying about the cop before being really small, just look at it compared to the main stands. It looks tiny. It doesn't look that bad on camera, but when you're there in person, it looks really small, which the cop has got to get done at some point. Now, when I've taken a closer look at the cop, if you look just above the lettering, you can see that's where the rail seating goes to. So the rail seatings come right down now to just above the lettering. They've added more and more rows with the rail seating in. So now that's enough of my boring voiceover. I can go back to the original footage because the music had gone off. And I think it sounded enough after that to avoid any more music. So enjoy. So this is the best view I'm going to get off the upper tier. You can see quite a lot, to be fair. But go down to the concourse and it's very bare bones down there. So there's the concourse area. It's very basic at the moment. And this is the old concourse, so you can see the old to the new there, so to get me. Old, new. I don't know what's going to be here. But all the signage is being put up now as well. Like the Anfield lower signs are up. It's actually hard getting footage because I keep playing music and I don't want to get copyright strikes against me on my channel. But I've seen this up here. I don't know what that is. Just sitting there in the middle of the seats. That's going to have to move, innit? It's starting to fill up in here now as well. So there's quite a few, both sides. And there's the goals on the pitch. Gonna have some LFC Foundation games in a minute. Goals that side as well. So at the moment we've got the LFC Foundation, some kids playing on the pitch. Great experience for them. No one scored yet though. And a goal went in while I was trying to clean the lens on my camera. So this is how the roof's looking anyway. It looks good. That's it, apart from the piece of that need cladding. Little piece I've noticed there. See it under there. It all needs filling in as well. It all needs completing. So a little bit of interest is the Shankly gates and this path that has been put in, the block paved path. That leads through to the car park. And the forever stones are here. Obviously they're all fenced off, so I can't really get a good look at them. There's quite a lot down here. There's the forever stones area.
Around a 20-minute period ahead of time. This can encourage you all to make your way onto the concourse to use the welfare facilities and toilets.
And then
Thank you.
the stand itself. So that's me done here now. I hope we got enough footage for everyone to have a good look around the stands in the lower tier anyway. You can get a good view of the upper tier from the lower tier as well, which is quite good. But yeah, I'll leave it there guys. Thanks for watching. As always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.